Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discuss about Commvault Monitoring. As a beginner, if you are managing Commvault operations, then we would recommend you to follow the video till the end to know what should be checked and managed from a Commvault monitoring perspective. Every environment will have a backup window, and that sets as benchmark for investigation or troubleshooting. For example, the backup window is usually in local time, from 6 p.m. in the evening, to next day morning 7 a.m. During this window, most of the users won't be accessing the machine, except for critical servers, which run 24/7, and this would be the ideal time to perform backups. Keeping your environment backup window in mind, after you log into Commvault, check for the summary of jobs displayed in the job controller. The running job count shows the number of client jobs performing data protection operation. The pending job count shows the number of backups having issues. If you see a large number of pending jobs, then you need to look into the job details for errors to identify if the reason for job pending is backup infra or something else. The waiting job count shows the number of jobs waiting for resources. If you see a large number of backups waiting for resources, then you would have to investigate why it's taking long for resource allocation, for example, storage issues, or all resources busy, or long-running jobs blocking resources from reuse, etc. The queued job count shows the number of jobs queued, which means, for a sub-client more than one job is running, and the initial running job has not completed in a specific time frame, so the next backup is queued, and waiting for the previous job to complete. The suspended job count shows the number of jobs that are manually suspended. You may want to look for a reason for suspending the job. There could be human error scenarios, where someone suspended the job for troubleshooting, and then forgot to resume them. The total jobs shows the total number of backups running in the environment. If it's more than usual, then you need to check on the other points we discussed, to know the reason for such a large number. Moving on to next check. Under Storage Resources, Libraries. Check if the libraries, be it disk, cloud, or tape, show the status ready. If you see the status different, like under maintenance, then you need to get the library online and ready for use. For disk libraries, please check if all mount paths are online, and they have enough free space available for backups. Likewise, for tape libraries, all drives should show drive fully accessible, and if not, then you need to fix them ready for use. Continuing what to check next. Under Storage Resources, MediaAgents. Check if all the MediaAgents configured in the environment are showing status ready. If any MediaAgent is showing offline, or marked under maintenance, then you need to check and get them ready for use. These would be the primary checks, but you would also need to perform some additional checks. Yellow exclamation mark next to a job. A yellow exclamation mark next to a job in Commvault indicates a warning, or a condition that requires attention. This typically means the job has encountered a non-critical issue, or is in a state that may need review, but is not a failure. Under Job Details, check for last job update time. If the update time is in days, or rather long hours, then you need to start investigating and troubleshooting. For file system backup, you may want to start with suspend and resume backup. For databases, example, in SAP HANA log backup jobs, a yellow triangle warning icon appears when the job is idle for an extended period, indicating the job is waiting for log activity, or another expected event. You should review the job details to determine the specific reason for the warning, and take any necessary action. Blackout window configuration. Ensure blackout windows are correctly configured, and do not overlap with critical backup schedules. Verify that backup jobs are not blocked, or queued, due to blackout window settings. Client Commvault software version. Upgrade outdated clients to prevent compatibility issues and missed backups. Monitor system health. Use the health dashboard to check for any critical alerts or resource bottlenecks, for example, CPU, RAM, streams, and work to fix them. We will end this video here. Stay tuned to the channel for more videos. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel if not already done so. Thank you. Do subscribe for more videos.